Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Matilda Inibe and I'm your farm guide. So today we're going to be talking about a chemical that is harmful to your health and poses a risk to your health, and that chemical is known as phthalate. It could also be called everywhere chemical. So some months ago, there was an inspection done in one of the giant online retail outlets that deals with the sales of clothes, shoes, and everyday commodity, and it was found that some of their products contained a high level of phthalates. Note that there's a safe level, so even though those products have been removed, this is just to inform you so that you are a conscious consumer of the things that you use and how you can remain safe while you're using them. So for example, you buy clothes, especially you order clothes, oh you're so excited, you cannot wait to wear it. Wait first, just pause. Air dry those clothes, dry them in a well ventilated area where air is going to touch it, just so that it reduces the amount of harmful chemicals in the clothes. After air drying, if you're not comfortable to wear just it, especially for people that have very sensitive skin, use mild detergent to wash these clothes. You can also add baking soda to that mixture and just mildly wash the clothes and dry them. You can also soak it in vinegar, just a cup of vinegar in a bucket of water, not a full bucket, like a half bucket of water. Put the clothes inside of it for a while, say like 15-20 minutes, and then get it out and rinse in normal water and then dry. Or you can, instead of, if you don't want to wash those clothes, you can get activated charcoal, put them in breathable bags, like all these plastic bags, and put them in the same space with the clothes you're suspecting or that you have confirmed has this phthalate or the everywhere chemicals. It will absorb those chemicals and make your clothes safe and healthy for you to wear. It's because it has been linked to different health risks like obesity, fertility problems, hormonal disruptions, and even some chemicals. So while you're out there like me, getting anxious, ordering for clothes, and you cannot wait to try them on, ensure to check and be sure that these clothes are healthy for you, so that you remain safe while you are still maintaining steeze. You get me, right? So when next you're shopping for clothes, whether it's online or in physical stores, but whether or not it has phthalates, just ensure to air dry your clothes, wash in detergent and baking soda, soak them in vinegar, or put activated charcoal in breathable bags in the spaces where you store these clothes, just so that you remain safe. Until I come your way again, my name is Matilda Inibe. Thank you all for watching. Sure to like this video, share with those you know would need this information, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Till I come your way again, it's bye from here.